applicable or is coming up from an India perspective, but overall in a global perspective, that is something is a fast emerging thing. The simple reason is every company on average spends around $1,000 to $1,200 per device, to protect your whether your laptop and other thing by keeping controls and other thing. Now, if we allow BOID and the kind of thing, so it's easy to manage. That means you can allow people to bring your own laptop and connect it, and you can perform and you can do the thing. The important thing is the BOID was considered earlier. It's more on cost measures. Now it's no longer considered as a cost measure; it's a risk mitigation measure. See, the biggest risk now, especially in the financial institute and area, data leakage and privacy is the important two biggest risk or biggest area where a lot of banks are spending too much money to prevent or mitigate those things, because regulator, we are being owned by regulators, and anything on a data breach and data loss due to any kind of things, and it's subject to penalty and other thing. So now, if this is the case, now how do we mitigate on the overall group point of view? So one is, yes, you can allow, okay, the other way that we can look at. So what is when you look at a theft, data can reside in your centralized server and your transfer and your use case. But especially, I'm not sure how many organizations got a maturity level to keep all the data into central rather than keeping in the decentralized. Even mature organizations also, sometimes people, they store the Excel and data, business critical data as own laptops or smartphones and other things. So now, how do we prevent that? Because that's where the most of the breaches, they're happening, whether intently or unknowingly. So that's not the debate here. So now, how do we, whether intently or unknowingly, but how do we break that one? So you need to keep away those things by bringing. If you allow people to bring, so it's a kind of thin model. Everything can happen centrally, and you will not have any data transfer from that to this. So that will prevent. That's one aspect. Now, the bring your own device, the first concept of how do we enable, first, okay, forget about all these things, real investment. So now, at least for smartphone point of view, how do we enable the smartphone into the corporate entity so that they can use as good as business transaction? For example, I have a RMs, they'll go in corporate customer and client. The earlier traditional way how people will go there, they will fill up the form and come and go there. Nowadays there is no time. Business is demanding, and you need to take a decision there itself and complete the deal there itself. So now we should allow people to take their pads and other thing, have a sign and thumb and close that, you need to come back. So that's the demand from the business. Now, since we have a lot of threat on that space, we can't say that no, you can't allow those things because it introduces risk and other thing. So rather than that, how do we enable that with putting some mitigate control so that business also can satisfy with their action, and also we are just doing a meaningful thing to the business thing. So that's the concept of whole aspect which I'm going to touch upon. I'm sure you would have seen some of threats here, because any threats, if you look at where there are two elements. One is the external element and internal element. And when you look at the external element, yes, obviously, nowadays if you look at go to ISF threat and other things, the hacktivism is an important thing which people are talking nowadays, but it's been there ironically, and we need to see how we could fix that. But internally, how do we mitigate? Because one of the biggest challenges from internal aspect is the fraudulent activity nowadays. It's happening, especially in the financial sector, due to large volume of transactions and other thing. It's a nightmare, I would say, in terms of to mitigate that one. So, given that circumstances, how do we enable? How do you make sure that we need to give how do we make sure that we can give a reasonable assurance to the board that yes, our data is protected?